Ang dami guys. 119. 119.99.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Balik na naman tayo guys. Punta tayong sa agenda natin. Samahan nyo kami guys. Babalik na naman kami sa dumpster diving. And kakaalis lang namin sa bahay. And look, somebody's with me. So may gwardiya po tayo guys. Ha? Yeah, ayaw niya guys na I'm going alone. If Brenda is with me, I'm good. But he wants to go with me, give me company. And so yun, punta lang tayo. And samahan nyo kami guys. Hopefully, this time, meron tayong nakita. And then mamaya naman, may ulan. Kaya aalis na kami ng maaga-aga. Kasi, yun, may ulan. Pero, yun, so let's go sa go. Let's go guys. So I have to cover my forehead guys because it's very obvious guys. Okay, very obvious guys. Okay guys. Okay. Oh, there's cars still here. Okay, there's still workers here.
Oh, you knew that.
Okay. Quick look. Let's go. Okay. Nilagyan ng spray. Si Tommy. Why is she shaking? Ito hangin guys. Hangin. Ang dami guys. we do this with Brenda daytime. Oh. Hopefully it's not empty. Ito. Oops. Balakan. Walang laman, guys. It's all boxes. It's all the same thing, boxes. Boxes lahat. Empty. Tignan natin dito, guys, kung mayroon ba. Let's see. Nothing too. Ito yung nakuha ko lahat, guys. Look. This is what I got from the garbage for today. And somebody's already over there playing. Look. Who is it? Dimples? And, look, ipakita ko sa inyo, guys, kung ano to. Ito naman, hanger. Na-sprayhan siya, guys. Na-sprayhan siya, pero, you know, malinis mo lang yan. I-wipe mo. And, yun, fights na. So, ito lang siya. I don't know kung anong, one hanger is broken. So I don't know which one is broken. Somebody try to fix the thing. So one hanger is broken. And look, this is what I've got. And a lot of towels and everything. Look. And so ito, asin ng TV, a cutter. Ipadala ko to sa Pilipinas, guys. Yan, ipadala ko yan. And then, ito yung hindi ko alam kung ano to. It is damaged, but I don't really know what is this. And ito din, hindi ko alam, pero dinala ko yung set niya. I think ito para nutrients matter. Oh, breast milk storage bag. Look at this. I can donate this. Look at, guys, kung sino yung mga ano dyan sa Pilipinas, oh. Ito yung may pump siya na kasama, guys. Na may pump na kasama. Look. Pump. And then may mga bag sa mga mama. Look, maganda ito. I-donate. I-donate. Kasama ito sila. Oh, ito lahat, oh. Yun, i-donate yan. Oh, hindi man yan sira. I think. Yun. Ito, i-donate lang. I-donate yan. Magpadala ako sa mga ano ko, yung mga subscribers ko, guys, mga followers sa Facebook at saka sa YouTube. Maghanap talaga ako ng ano. At saka ito, oh, ipakita ay look. We can use this. Look, this one. And guys, nagtapon din sila ng plato. Look, plato dalawa. So, yun. Mayroon na kami mga plato. Pero ipadala ko din ito, guys. Ipadala ko to. Yan. And, yun. Yun. Diba? And ito siya. Kinuha ko siya, pero it's broken. Scented oil plug-in warmer. Look, it's broken. So, itapon ko na lang ito po. Itapon. Tignan nyo itong dalawang pusa. And this one, I don't know what is this. Tablecloth. Yeah, it's a tablecloth, but it's a small one, I guess. Ito din. So, this tablecloth, what size? Oh, there's no size. Walang size, guys. This is a small tablecloth. This is nice color. This is nice for Christmassy. Tinapon nila, guys, kasi tapos na yung Christmas. Ang dami pa doong Christmas. Babalikan ko Yun, bukas. Balikan ko bukas. And ito, ibigay ko din yan sa Pinas. At saka ito din, look, marami pang mga ano guys, hindi ko alam kung ano to. Ay, this is a curtains. So, ito guys, hindi ko alam kung ano to. I don't have a clue. So, let's see. Tignan natin ha. Home. So, busy siya sa pag-aayos. Pero ito siya guys, hindi ko ito alam kung ano to. Hindi ko alam. Padala yan sa Pinas. Dalawa yan eh, dalawa. Look. Dalawa. Padala yan sa Pinas. This one is a nice curtains o cortina. Mga walang pares, yun lang nang nakaproblema sa mga tinatapon. Walang pares, magagamit lang ito po sa Pilipinas talaga. Yung mga ganitong mga cortina, walang mga pares. So, yun. Ipadala ko din ito. More curtains. Padala sa Pinas. Marami nang maipadala guys, oh. Ipadala yan sa Pinas lahat. And then, ito din, this is another curtains din. Naku, pagkagahig ulo, yun yung iringa. Cortina or tibor. Yeah, it's a curtain. Let me see. Oh, this is a nice curtains for the bathroom. I-keep ko to ito guys. I-try ko to sa bathroom sa taas. I-separate ko na yung mga ipadala kasi kinikip ko yung guys, yung mga ipadala, giveaway, ganun. At saka ito, towel para kay Mr. Malaking towel. Labhan yan. At saka, ang daming tuwalya, look. Ang daming tuwalya talaga, look. Dami, grabe. And then, alam nyo guys kung ano yung, bakit sinauli ito, bakit tinapon? Poor packaging. That's why people returned it and then the store threw it out. Because it's a poor packaging. Can you imagine? And then, ang ganda ng tuwalya, guys, oh. Pang ano ito sa kitchen, guys. Yung sa kitchen, yung tuwalya sa kitchen, pang pahid, pang ano ng kamay, ganun. Ipadala ko din ito. Kasi marami na po ako dito. So, ang dami kong ipapadala talaga sa Pilipinas. It's a blanket. Right, Han?
That white thing?
No, this one. It's very soft. I will try to wash it. Yan. And this one, I don't really understand what is this. Ay, this is a plate thing. To put the spoon. So, this one, guys, hindi ko magets what is this, but look. I took it anyway. And then, if we don't like it, I'll put it in the garbage now. And you put that on top of the bed?
I guess.
And like what?
Look, this way.
Huh?
It gives you a cushion.
Look guys, ano yan? That's weird. Mister, come on, this way, monkey. This way, come on, right here. Come on, this way here, come on. Okay guys, look at Dimples like it. So, ito yung nakakuha natin guys. So, ilagay ko to sa taas. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung para saan ito talaga. Para daw ito sa bed. Eh, look, tignan nyo yan oh. Yung mga pusa. At saka ito, ang sobrang soft nito guys. As in guys, look oh. Sobrang soft. At saka ito guys, hindi naman sila madumi guys. So, soft. Labhan ko to ngayon ah. Yan. At saka ang dami kong ibibigay sa Pinas. And then, ipag-pray talaga natin na meron tayong makamahanap na LBC talaga. But anyway, guys, hey, Dimples, enough for... Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Good night. I hope nag-enjoy kayo, guys, kasi ito lang yung nakuha ko. And then, gusto kong babalikan sila, guys. Ano ng oras? Gusto kong balikan bukas. Meron tayong nakuhang clock. At saka meron tayong nakuhang blender. Hindi siya blender, para siyang kung meron kang ilalagay na mga onion, garlic, yun, ito pwede mo siyang magamit. Sana maayos ni Tami para ibigay ko sa Pilipinas. Padala ko. Hala. Guys, 119. 119.99. Ugh. Guys, it's really soft, guys. My pin siya, guys, pero look. I don't care. Inside the house, feeling like this. Oh my goodness. Hala, how you do dry clean?
Oh, you can't wash it.
No, I can wash it.
You need to go to the cleaners.
Huh?
You need to go to a cleaner, or you can use a dry out.
Oh my god, I don't want to throw that out, guys.